Material: oil pastels. Spread the backgrounds just like it's cream batter. I like to use spatula to make a little bit texture. Adding multiple layers of color to create gradient feeling. Fingers are convenient to use and can be useful. Here I used calligraphy pen. In order to create creamy texture, I will cut a few oil pastels and then knead them. This way when I use spatula to paint, it looks like it's in 3D. I feel so relaxed and satisfied when I'm painting. The last layer is the pure white flowers. I hope you like it and enjoy it.